My switches are going EOL and my new ones won't be here for another 6 months. Do you have any options to help me cover the next 6 months until my switches arrive? Essentially what this, how I would define that would be, do we have short-term maintenance options? This has become a huge deal. So the short answer is yes. And it's a very common request that we get. Short-term maintenance options. What supply chain obviously is a CapEx piece of the budget, right? Is you're looking for a refresh or you have a scheduled refresh, then all of a sudden the OEM's 6-month lead time now is a 12-month lead time, or navigating around that. So you have legacy infrastructure that you had already planned on ripping out anyways, but now it's going to need to be there for another short period of time. And in this particular question, 6 months. So the answer is yes. And we do this we can give you that 6-month extension without overpaying for it. In general, it's usually about 70 to 80% less than the OEM contracts. So not only do you not have to overspend for an unbudgeted new OpEx expense to account for that, but we can help keep that money to a minimum to help kind of offset some of the expenses that you didn't have planned out.